Well, we're over at my buddy Steve's, back on the Ramcharger project. And right now, we're doing a wheel seal, but we were gonna clean these rotors. They're pretty nasty. I think we're gonna use some, I like to use a little bit of gas in there to clean it up, and then we'll go back over with brake cleaning. The shoes need to get done too, so. We have to pull the diff cover off, come underneath, pull the pin, or the bolt for the pin, and then pop the pin through. That pin was stuck pretty good, so we got it. Give it a little extra. So we got her cleaned and shined, got some gas in there. Now we're gonna grease the bearing. Let's get you some of the red stuff. Doesn't matter. Axle bearing grease is axle bearing grease. Throw it in there. That's what she said. Just want to make sure they're got a healthy coat on there. All right. I'm gonna clean my hands off. Be back. Oh, real men eat lunch. They don't clean their hands. See, nothing wrong with a little grease. Well, we got it all back together, and we got the seal in. Good old bearing saver seals. So, you should be good to go now. Now what we need to do is a little brake clean. And some on here. And we're good.